When it comes to the vaginal orgasm, there is much that researchers still don't know for sure. The percentage of women who experience internal orgasms, not involving clitoral stimulation, whether their ability to is biological or determined by other factors, whether internal and external orgasms are the same and what nerve paths are activated during release are among the many outstanding questions present in the scientific community. But what many men want to know is, does penis size matter? Anxiety concerning sexual inadequacy can negatively impact sexual health, and therefore mental and penile health as well. Men can look to certain studies and facts for reassurance in the penis size department. How common? While a definitive number is lacking, some research suggests that as many as 75 to 80% of women haven't experienced vaginal orgasm. Whether this is attributed to biological, psychological or social factors is a topic of debate. Some research, for example, suggests that learning about the potential for vaginal orgasm early on increases a woman's likelihood of experiencing them, but some contest this conclusion. Either way, men shouldn't assume that it's their fault if their female partners need some handwork to get there. If a partner has experienced vaginal orgasm in the past, she can communicate with her current partner about what works best for her. If it still doesn't work out, and particularly if she has trouble releasing from manual stimulation as well, the couple should consider relationship problems like trust issues or unresolved conflicts. These can cause sexual difficulties for men and women alike, as can general stress. Does size matter? While this is a matter of individual preference, the majority of women across multiple surveys are plenty content with an average-sized penis 5 to 6 inches erect. One small 2013 survey of Scottish college students suggested that preference for a larger size may be linked to women's ability to have vaginal orgasms. About half of the 323 female respondents reported having vaginal orgasms with enough partners to compare size. Among the vaginal releasers, 1/3 preferred bigger penises. This number was higher than the percentage of women preferring bigger members who did not experience vaginal orgasms. Why it matters to some, maybe. Since so much about the vaginal orgasm remains unknown, it's impossible to say why more women who experience vaginal release might prefer bigger penises. However, here are a couple possibilities. 1. Some women greatly enjoy stimulation of the posterior and/or anterior fornixes, areas past and behind or in front of the cervix. It's easier for longer penises to reach these spots. Though vaginas are typically only about 3 inches deep, they do expand when a woman is aroused. Still, it's possible for guys of average length to hit these areas, especially with from-behind positions. 2. It's also possible that some women experience vaginal orgasms related to stimulation of a large portion of the vagina at once. Men of length and girth, then, may be more able to spark such a woman's fire. What's important to remember is that a majority of women are happy with an average-sized penis. It's also worth noting that those who report preference for larger members may be influenced by the same cultural misconceptions about penis size that anxious men are more so than actual greater enjoyment, although some women definitely experience more pleasure from well-endowed men. Health, universally desired. A healthy penis is something any partner would desire, no matter what the size. Rather than fretting about the length that nature gave him, a man would better spend his attention and energy focusing on keeping his tool in good shape. He can do so by practicing proper hygiene, getting plenty of penile exercise with his hand and partners, using protection and applying a penis health creme. Health professionals recommend Man1 Man Oil after his daily shower. Keeping the skin in good condition is imperative to enjoying pleasurable sensations and warding off both infections and odors. Look for a creme with vitamin A for antibacterial protection as well as shea butter and vitamin E, both great natural moisturizers.